So one of the things that you can do is go ahead and keep image on text in Affinity as well. So to do that, you can go around over here onto text tool. So let's just go around over here and bring in this text tool. It can be artistic or frame text tool. So let me just go around and then change the size of it, and let me just go around and type into YouTube. Let's say, for example, let's just go ahead and resize out the text right here, just like this. So now I want the image to be seen in the text. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a thick text right here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and type in impact right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now you can see that this is regular, this is impact. So now I want the image to be within the text. So for that, over here on the layers panel on the right hand side, all you need to do is click and drag the image right here onto the text right here. So you can go ahead onto the text. If I were to go ahead and resize this out right here, you can see that now you got the image right here within the text itself. So you can go around over here just like this, and this is what you have. You can go around over here just like this, as you can see. So now if I were to go ahead and type in something, you can see that the image is within that particular text now. If you were to go ahead and expand, you can still see the image. Click and drag it out to drag it out right there, just like that. And then what you can also do is drag this inside right here, and this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and keep out image on text inside of Affinity easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.